If you've been fighting stains, odors, or pet messes on your carpet, today's gadget might change your cleaning routine forever. This is the Hoover PowerDash Pet Compact Carpet Cleaner, a lightweight machine designed to give you professional-level deep cleaning without the heavy equipment. Its compact size makes it incredibly easy to carry, store, and maneuver, even in tight spaces, corners, or small apartments. One of its biggest strengths is the Power Spin Pet Brush Roll, which delivers strong cleaning performance while keeping your carpets soft. Whether you're dealing with muddy paw prints, juice spills, or old stains you thought would never come out, this cleaner tackles them with surprising power. The heat force technology speeds up the drying time so you can get back to living on your carpets instead of waiting hours. What I personally love is how simple the tanks are to remove, fill, empty, and clean. No complicated parts or messy disassembly. Pairing it with a Hoover carpet cleaning solution boosts stain removal and leaves your room smelling amazingly fresh. This machine is perfect for pet owners, parents, or anyone who wants a brighter, cleaner home without hiring professional carpet cleaners. If you're looking for a compact, affordable, yet powerful carpet cleaner, the Hoover PowerDash Pet might be exactly what your home needs.